Hi everyone, my name is Krishnamohan, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to download Unity game engine. There is a link below in description where you can directly go to the link and download the Unity hub. And before I will just explain some things. Unity game engine is a game development tool and it's free, and it is both free and paid also. And if you're going for full commercial, like you have a studio like that, you have to go for paid version. Or if you're just a student or a modeler or designer or just a solo developer like me, you can just go with free plans. But there are some limits in total revenue in the per year. If you about to cross that, means you have to buy a paid version, or else no problem. So you can just go visit the description and click on the link and you can download the Unity Hub. And I will show you how to download Unity Hub. If you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. Let's go on the video, guys.